Because we are all content royalty, kings and queens alike.
Well, or we're at least content teams, and we need to be able to maybe do some things together in the HubSpot portal. Anyway, in today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to create teams inside of HubSpot right here, right now. Let's do this. Remember, if you need education past this tutorial, check out the description below. That's what we do, monthly training and 1 and 2 day workshops. Let's go into the portal. Let's get those teams made. Let's let you be the King Arthur and the court of content in HubSpot. As you can see, we are once again in the HubSpot portal, and today we are going to head over to this settings icon right here and go ahead and click on that. What we're looking for is users and teams down here at the bottom left side of the settings area. And so what you can see is we have all of our users here, and we can see all users, which would be a filter. And you'll see once you create teams, you can actually filter out by certain teams as well. So this is great for larger organizations. But to create a team, because this is create user, we can come over here under actions and we can create a team, or we can manage paid users as well. Now that's a totally different tutorial. So we're going to go ahead and hit create team. And what we'll be able to do is name the team. So I can come in here and give it a name, and then we can do content. So in this case, I'll just make it content kings and queens, because hey, we should all be content royalty. Now you can see I can add a team member by searching, or it's going to give me a list of folks that I can pick from as well. So I would just simply go through here and I might pick myself, and I might pick somebody else like Danielle, or maybe even somebody like Jen, and then I could say right here, create this team. Now, Content Kings and Queens was created. You'll see that there's 3 users in there. And now what I should be able to do under all users is I could filter out, do I want to see the biz dev team? Do I want to see the Content Kings or Queens? And then from there, I can also start to see the access that these folks have, and even go in and edit and set their permissions. Now that's how easy it is to create teams inside of HubSpot. But I do want to show you one other thing. Remember, when we went here, actions, we could create a team. However, if we come over here and we filter to a team like Content Kings and Queens, now if we go look at this, it turns into team actions, and we can go ahead and do a drop down here. We can remove this team, or we can edit this team. Edit this team allows you to bring more people into it, and since this was a bogus team to begin with, we can actually remove this team. Now here's the thing, are you sure you want to delete Content Kings and Queens? The users in this team won't be deleted. Deleting the team can't be undone. Yes, I want to delete the team because it was only for this tutorial, even though some people at Impulse Creative are Content Kings and Queens. Let's go ahead and get rid of it. So folks, creating teams, deleting teams, editing teams with HubSpot, it's just that simple. It's just that easy. So remember folks, with teams, you can do some pretty cool things. Now you know how to create them. Now you know how to edit them. Now you know how to delete them if you have to do that. But go ahead and communicate better inside of HubSpot. Go ahead and stay more organized inside of HubSpot. Until next time, this is your boy, George B. Thomas from Impulse Creative, saying happy HubSpotting. Oh yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for instant notifications, or do one of these things.